Hi, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you how to cover a cake board with fondant. Knead your fondant well and roll it out. If you have any air pockets, then pop them with a pin, put it in at a slant. Roll your paste out again. Keep turning it so it doesn't stick to your work surface. Keep rolling it out till it's big enough for your board. That's perfect. Not too thick and not too thin. Smooth it over. Wet your board with some water. And place on top. Smooth over again with your fondant smoother. And use a fondant knife to remove the excess around the board. If you have any air pockets, then pop them with a pin again. One last smooth. Perfect. This part is optional. Some people like to remove the centre and then reuse the fondant inside. Thank you for watching.